Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC for sale. This vehicle comes in a black exterior, and we have a beige tan interior here. Some nice wood grain accent trim throughout the vehicle as well. Sunroof. Power memory heated seats, both driver and passenger. We also have the premium Burmester sound system upgrade. Rear seats. Quick look up at the front of the vehicle. And coming around to the back, we have our GLC 300, Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, as well as a power opening and closing trunk. And of course, those rear seats can fold down if you need a little extra storage. And push button to close. Now, hopping inside the vehicle. Mileage currently at 28,464. Do have a push button ignition. And here we have our touchscreen display. Currently showing navigation, radio, and backup camera. Of course, you can control it using the touch screen there. There's also the command module right down here that you can make adjustments as well. Below the display is your climate control. Wireless charging pad for a cell phone, cup holders, and our shifter. Now, if you're interested in additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.